What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, and I've got two bullish case scenarios for you. There's one slightly bearish, where you could see a small correction in between today and tomorrow, and then have a big, massive pump. So make sure to stay tuned, because we're going to analyze here on the 4 hourly. We'll take a look at the 2 hourly in a shorter time frame to see these major levels where we could consolidate and start pumping. And this is if we do not start pumping from now, guys. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hello there, and to you, welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily on Bitcoin, crypto. I also do live streams to connect with the community, not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. And guys, massive thank you on yesterday's video. We got almost 600 likes. We're still 400 likes away from the giveaway. So make sure to smash up that like button and comment down below, because if we arrive to over 1,000 likes, I'm doing a Bitcoin giveaway, guys. So make sure to smash up that like button, and let's dive in here straight into the meat and potatoes. Like I said, nothing has changed just too much from yesterday's video. We're just consolidating here at this 41.7, 41.8 levels. We are finding a pretty nice good floor at this range. I am still sticking to the bullish case scenario. Today, I want to talk about two bullish case scenarios, and one is slightly bearish in the immediate short term. Like I showed you, this is why I got this green box, because this over here will be potentially a very good buying zone. And I'm going to explain right now on the 4 hourly chart. Check out here this massive consolidation of resistance that we do have. And, you know, the most bullish case scenario would be bouncing from these levels to continue to the upside to retest that 45.5, 46K levels again, or maybe get, you know, a little pump and create a lower high, and then have a massive breakdown to reach this incredible zone that might be a good buying opportunity. And I'm going to explain right away here by looking at the 4 hourly chart here for Bitcoin, right? Because you can clearly see by looking at the VPVR. Let's talk about the bearish case scenario in the immediate short term. If Bitcoin doesn't have enough steam to come all the way up and retest this 46K range, it is very, very likely going to create a lower high right over here and roll back down and come down to these major levels that I want to talk about right now, which is the 39.5. Now 39.5, you can see you have the big start of this massive big peak on the VPVR. There's an empty space in between 39K and 41K approximately. So there is about a $2,000 gap right there. And if this happens, if we do roll down, it might be a pretty sharp move. But I strongly believe that this area should be holding nicely. Why would it hold nicely? Because you do have the start of a big spike here on the VPVR. This is because of this major consolidation zone that we did have a few weeks back here in January. Reason number two, if we take a look at fib levels from this start of this major pump from the lower part to the highs here, that 618 is that 39K range. As you can see, this area is that 39K area, the 618. Okay, so this is also inside of this major zone. And reason number three is because of this major resistance point that we did have. We had a small consolidation here. We also had the resistance right there, resistance right here, resistance right there. This is why I got this orange box. So I'll just extend this over here. And that is also why, because this is an area where we could get that major bounce. That is reason number three. And there is also another reason right over here on the 4 hourly, taking a look at these two peaks. All right, this is on the 4 hourly. Yesterday we did take a look at the 2 hourly, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can take a look at these major levels also on those time frames, but on the 4 hourly you can see this major big candle with this wick. Okay, the very, very top of it is round about just below $39,000. So you could see some volatility hitting that level. And once I see that volatility, and I do see massive big wicks, something very similar to this, but inverted to the opposite. Instead of creating a kind of a double top or triple top, I want to see a creation of a kind of double bottom or triple bottom with these wicks. That is the moment I will see that the Bitcoin bears are losing steam and the bulls are stepping in. And this is the moment where you potentially want to react. This is why traders they don't care if the price is going up or going down. We need to react to those levels. Yesterday we did see a brilliant reaction here from this 42.2k levels right there. This was mentioned on the live stream. I did a quick little scalp. I don't usually trade on the weekend, but if the opportunity is there, then we will take it, right? You have that consolidation. We were bouncing here pretty nicely. There was just a quite fast scalp. Okay, it was a day trade just right there, hitting this major yellow horizontal line where we got rejected. So that was a quick long opportunity here that we did have yesterday, Saturday. Now, your question might be, where are the next opportunities? Well, this is what I want to explain today. Like I said, if we do create that low high right over here, roll back down and see the bears, fighting with pressure, we don't want to see very high volume. You could see high volume, but we don't want to see, much higher volume than this, because then this would give the bears a lot of power. You could see they are stepping in with a lot of power, and we do not want to see this. If we do break down from these levels with not too much volume, some medium kind of volume, and then consolidate with very low volume right at this range, volume getting lower and lower, that will be the moment, guys, like I explained just a few minutes ago. Now, there's also the possibility that the Bitcoin bears don't have enough steam to break this 41.5 level. And why? Because it is a very big strong point of control. Look at the red horizontal line. This is the trading zone where we have been trading in between late December until February. Right now, the biggest point of control is where Bitcoin is currently getting that bounce at that 41.7k range. Okay, it's about 41.3 would be the ultimate low bottom of the VPVR. So this is why we are consolidating from this range, and there is a high chance also that we could get that bounce from these levels, because it's super strong point of control. We can see bounces as support here very nicely. Nice big consolidation right over here, and also this consolidation right there. So this is why we could actually come all the way up and retest 46k. So those are my two scenarios for the next coming days, guys. We either pump from here and the next day or two and retest this major resistance, or we either create a lower high, break down from this level, and that will be another area where potentially we are going to get defended and then continue to the upside. So I am looking for that 46k level. Okay, 46k level is my main target in the next couple of days, but we've got these two potential scenarios just to keep it simple, keep it easy. Look at the levels, and like I showed you here with this chart, I am still sticking with this prediction where this is potentially the start of a new uptrend, right? Okay, guys, I want to let you know that I am in a long position right now from these levels. This is a swing trade. I did a day trade yesterday, quick scalp, and I am in a swing trade position, very small one, because I am planning to add heavily to my position as soon as we break this major 41.5 levels. And if we do come all the way down to that 39k level, depending on what kind of reaction we are going to have at that range, I will be adding heavily to my position. If I see big volume and very aggressive bears, I might close the position in a small loss, because it is a very small position. But as soon as the type of reaction that we do have here, I will be adding heavily, guys, and I'll be telling you this on my live streams and also on my videos. Remember, on Bybit you do get the best bonus down below. It's up to $4,100 worth of bonus and 30% fee discount, guys, by using my link down below. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We have the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Okay, we have bearish, bullish case scenarios, different levels. Make sure to check it out. We've got the latest news here also. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you in the next one.